VORON Trident kit by FYSETC, ordered from AliExpress. Very fast shipping, took about 1 week from China to here in the States. And this is a 300mm kit, and surprisingly in 2 boxes. So let's see what's inside. Pretty good packaging here. First thing on the top in the box A is the connection, full color printed, showing how you connect all the electronics. All the bad stuff, 450 watt, and all the connectors are pre-crimped. They do say, I think they say this comes with thermal fuse, so that's kind of neat, so you can skip that. Flex bed, looks pretty good and textured, all good. Magnet sheet, and aluminum bed, heavy, and all the holes are cut. Cool. On the next bunch of panels, it does say acrylic. Okay, it's all acrylic sheet for both the side and the back and bottom for black. So I thought it's PC, but it's not. That's about box 1. Box 2. Everything fits in the cutout of the foams, so that's very nice. Channels for electronics. I guess this is for the 350 then, because this is 300, so this is cut to length. It's good. Rails, MGN12 rail. I will need to unpack those later to see how they perform. DIN rails for electronics again. Looks like a pretty legit Omron solid state relay. Display and cable. Okay, it's just normal stuff. And yeah, it's actually a Pi 4. So these are really hard to get right now. And if you buy it somewhere, it would almost like double in the price. It's more like 170 or something. Used to be 70, 80. Meanwhile, 5-volt power supply, limit switch, and steppers. In-stop PCB with the limit switch already soldered onto it, and also the connector. So that makes it a lot easier. You probably don't even need to bring out the soldering iron, other than for the inserts. This box looks pretty neat. Black box, frosted look. Everything hardware wise, cool. Looks pretty clean. Nothing feels greasy. I mean, there's still some dirt on it. Should have everything, I hope. Profiles and screw bags by okay. So yeah, also fitting cutout. So wow, it's like a 3D foam kind of thing that everything is fit nicely. So no worry at all that this could be damaged. Don't know if it's from Misumi or not because it's not labeled. But everything is tapped, and seems the anodized the profile after the cut. And it comes with a screw bag. This is separate or extra from the hardware kit. I guess this is only for the frames. Another layer of parts. There's this empty one. For what? Okay. Got a cutter here. Okay. This would be the 24 power supply. And Dragon hardened. And this is also high flow, so this is pretty good. The spider board. Heavy box of fans. Waving casing, what's that? So power cord. Bunch of fans. And the cord cover. All kinds of stuff, I guess. Connectors. What are these? I'm not sure what are these. Okay. Bearings, springs, tubings, steering wheel, and yeah. I don't know why I need an Ethernet cable. What's that for? We'll find out. Okay. And also a set of Allen wrenches, and actually they are another nice can with this hexagon, with that ball head. So it is very helpful for Voron, because some angles can be a little weird. But yeah, that's good. It's having all the tools that you need. You don't have the crimper yet, but maybe I don't think you need a crimper here. Maybe this is the cable, hopefully. Ah, sweet. Power switch, SD card. I think this is having some Octoprint preloaded. Thermal fuse if you need it again. Bunch of cable, pre-crimped, good. Looks like for power. And stop. Not sure what is this set. This is the armor sensor. And it's pre-crimped as well. That's good, but I'm not gonna use it. Bunch of cables for the steppers. They have labels on them, so should be a quick connection. Also USB-C for the Pi, heater and semister. And then the bag looks like for the in-stop. Okay, looking really good. I'm looking forward to the build, actually. And one more box. HB tape, that's generous, a lot of those. Foaming tip, looks pretty sick. These are for the panels. Not sure why there's another row. It might be for some other spots. And drag chains, they are openable. And if you're not sure what they are, I guess you can always refer back to here. And steppers. Stepper for E. And it's from their own brand. I don't mind, but just by the look of this kit, I wouldn't doubt much of the quality. So two of the AB, and they have connectors like that. So yeah, just plug in and play. 3Z motors, also 1.8 degree. And with threaded rod attached. Looks like pretty good, pretty straight. And yeah, that's about this kit. 300mm. I bought it around a little over $1,000. It was on like AliExpress's sales event. A little bit over, I think it's like 1,032. Free shipping, and it comes to States for a week. And looks like the quality is really good, so yeah, we'll start building and tell you more. And if you don't mind, subscribe to this channel for more 3D printing stuff, and I'll see you next time.